It has literally changed my life. I doubled my revenue in 1 year. I'm literally over $1 million in revenue in 1 year. I'm like, how can that be? I give my full, wholehearted endorsement to Sam Mollaei and the Legal Funnel family. These guys have been amazing. They have helped me to take my life back and to have a better life. It is amazing that you can be in one place for so long, trying so hard. I went 11 years, literally 11 years, working by myself as a solo until I came across Sam and decided to give him a try. It was a class just like this, and I decided to take him up on the offer, and it has literally changed my life. I doubled my revenue in 1 year. I'm literally over $1 million in revenue in 1 year. I'm like, how can that be?
I didn't know that.
Literally.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Stephen, that's great.
In 1 year of working with you all. And frankly, I haven't even implemented all of the things that he's given. So once it's all in this nice package for my firm, I think I'll be doing very well. But the most important part for me is that in getting out of my way and eliminating those limiting beliefs that I have to do it all on my own. You want to go somewhere fast, go alone. You want to go far, go together. And I have a team now of 9. I'll hire somebody else today. That'll be 10 people. I was alone last year. Now I have 10 people who are working for me, working in my vision, contractors between VAs and personal assistants who are here local. So long story short, if you get out of your way and let people who have learned how to operate on this level and how to delegate, automate, and scale your firm, you will literally have a better time. You will enjoy being a lawyer. I enjoy being an attorney now. Just a year prior, I had just undergone surgery, heart surgery for AFib because of stress. It was just too much stress. And now I'm literally living carefree, and I have a newborn that I'm spending so much time with that it's just amazing. So look, if I can tell you anything, get out of your own way, say yes. The answer is yes or yes. Yes. Okay. Great job, Sam. Thanks, amazing. Amanda, and amazing. All of you, Kalinda.
Amazing. 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 I don't know what to say. But something I wanted to bring up about Stephen is that he's very humble, and he didn't let his ego get in the way of him growing. Because early on, I noticed just like accepts it, new change. Okay, let's do it. Don't overthink things too much. So I'm going to encourage you to continue doing that. And it's because your personality and your heart is how you've grown so much. And amazing, Stephen. Thank you so much.
Hey, good evening, Sam. This is Steve, just giving you a loom back. Definitely really made me happy to hear that it was a good quote for you. And it's absolutely, on point with what you and your team does to make things work for us all. You provide great value for us. So certainly thank you. And certainly look forward to when we get to meet in person once this pandemic is kind of passed on. Certainly your family, I hope all is well with you all. I'm raising young ones as well. So we know the struggle. But there have been definitely some successes and some challenges that have come up as a result. As you can see here, I actually increased my case intake. So a big thank you to you. I ditched the Google ads, and you remember I told you the last time we talked that we had an issue with with our competitors clicking off on our Google ads, and it was running up my Google bill on a cost per click. You said to go and check out your referrals and see where your best referral sources were coming from. I saw it was from other chiropractors. You said, go ahead and focus on that. I sent out Christmas cards and gift cards to go to expensive restaurants, that kind of thing. And they loved it and talked about the things I wanted to do, refer them cases. They started to refer me cases. And since then, it's kind of like been an avalanche. So we have plenty of cases coming in now, thanks to that great strategy. So I really appreciate it. It caused backlog. So I just brought on a couple more VAs for records and billing. So they've been trained up by our records and billing manager now.
Hey, hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're a lawyer and you're looking to work smart, scale fast, and enjoy life, right below this video, you'll find a link to book a call to speak to my team so we can tell you how we've been able to help over 500 law firm owners scale their law firm. Now back to the video.
The second issue I have is a backlog with closing out cases that I want to let you know about. I personally double check all of the settlement memos for accuracy. And then the accountant, the VA, she drafts to temp checks into QuickBooks Online. Then I print the checks and envelopes and I mail it to the providers, but that's becoming a bit onerous. So just trying to figure out, what you believe is a good idea for that going forward. Should I stick with doing it that way? Certainly, I want to make sure I don't have any mishaps in my trust account, because you, certainly as an attorney, you understand how important that is, that we're just responsible for it. But I don't want to, slow down the process, have providers calling, asking for the checks, that kind of thing, because I'm taking too long to get them out. So that's what I want to know, what you use. My CPA, he recommended bill.com. But I want to see what you thought about it. Also, I personally pick up mail from my office, and I scan those in, and then scan it, upload them to our G Drive, and then our VAs take over from there. I just want to know what options you suggest to free me up on that as the mail starts to pick up and increase, and that becomes a little bit more onerous as well. So those are my questions and certainly my successes. Look forward to hearing from you. I thank you so much for your class. It was a great, wonderful investment, and certainly for your friendship as well. Take care. God bless.